The all-new electric Jeep Avenger, a perfect blend of style, functionality, and capability. The much-anticipated all-new fully electric Jeep Avenger has finally arrived in Europe, marking a significant milestone for the brand. This battery electric vehicle offers European customers the perfect combination of capability, style, functionality, and technology. Designed and built in Europe, the Avenger is a shining example of the brand's commitment to electrification and a clear statement of Jeep's future direction. The compact exterior of the Avenger belies its roomy and versatile interior, providing ample space for both passengers and their belongings. This dynamic and easy-to-handle vehicle is well-suited for both off-road adventures and city driving, boasting a technologically advanced and safe design with hands-on automated driving capability. Notably, the Avenger is the first front-wheel drive Jeep to come standard with Selec-Terrain and hill descent control. Combined with improved ground clearance and angles, this compact SUV delivers an unexpected level of off-road capability. The new electric powertrain offers a stress-free range of up to 400 kilometers and up to 550 kilometers in city driving, with the added convenience of fast-charging capability for on-the-go energy needs. The Jeep Avenger has already garnered recognition from both customers and industry experts. It was named Car of the Year 2023 and Best Family SUV in the 2023 Women's World Car of the Year Awards. With 20,000 units sold since the opening of orders for the first edition, the Avenger is off to a successful start. Designed specifically for European customers, the Avenger incorporates functional design, compact dimensions, a roomy and versatile interior, a sustainable powertrain, cutting-edge technology, and full connectivity. These features combine to deliver a unique and enjoyable driving experience, whether navigating busy city streets or tackling off-road trails. With its agile, reactive, and enjoyable driving performance, the Avenger stands out as a pure expression of concentrated freedom. The all-new electric powertrain ensures class-leading energy consumption, while the vehicle's aerodynamic design contributes to its efficiency and long range. Available in 4 distinct trims, the Avenger offers a range of standard features across all models, ensuring that capability, safety, and connectivity are accessible to all customers. The color palette, inspired by nature elements, allows for customization and personalization to suit individual tastes. In conclusion, the all-new electric Jeep Avenger is a perfect choice for those looking for a compact, robust, and cool car that offers state-of-the-art technology, space, and comfort, while delivering plenty of fun. Ideal for various activities from commuting to shopping to off-roading, the Avenger is a versatile and capable vehicle that allows you to do anything and go anywhere. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.